Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we were going to unbox India Graph. In this we had got one ring and 5 wheels. As you can see, now I had opened it. As you can see, I had taken out, and these are 5 rings. You can see this. In rings, many holes are given to draw any type of designs. First we will see every ring, then we will try to do make design. As you can see, this is 80 number. This one is 45 number. And this one is 50 number, and this one is 52, and this one is 72. Now we have to take one page and the ring and any wheel and one dot pen for make design. Now we have to put our pen in any hole of wheel and make circle. Then you can see design is made. As you can see, this design is making now. As you see, we had made design. As you see, we will try every wheel to make designs. You can see we had made design. Now we will try another one. As you can see, we had made it, and now we were going to make another one. As you see, we had made small one. Now we will try another one. As you can see, our design is now made. Hope you like this video, so like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet you in our next video with new topic. Okay, bye.